Moving on to example 7.7. So first completing the squares and check which formula it applies to. அதை substitute பண்ண வேண்டியதான். Very simple. Okay. First question என்ன? I have square root of 4 minus x square integral dx. This I can simplify and write as 2 square minus x square times dx. So first formula எழுதுங்க. Always write the formula, then solve questions. So I have integral of square root of a square minus x square is going to be first என்ன வரும் x. So x by 2 whatever is in the question minus next plus என்ன வரும் a square. First x by 2 அப்புறம் a square by 2. When it's square root of a square minus x square, it is sine inverse of x divided by a plus c. இல்லையா 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx க்கு என்ன வந்தது? It is only sine inverse of x by a. But when it's a multiplication, so இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது you have these additional terms. First x by 2 வரும், அடுத்து a square by 2 வரும். Okay, so this when I apply in the formula in the question, my answer looks like x by 2, which is x divided by 2 square root of a square minus x square, which is 4 minus x square plus a square, which is 2 square divided by 2 sine inverse of x divided by 2 plus c. So இந்த இடத்துல இந்த 2 இந்த 2 cancel ஆயிடும். So my final answer is x by 2 square root of 4 minus x square plus 2 sine inverse of x divided by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is my first question's answer. Please copy. Question number 2. 1 minus 4x square. So இது என்ன formula இருக்கு? Integral of square root of 1 minus 4x square times dx. So how can I rewrite this? I can write this as square root of 1 square minus 2x the whole square times dx. This is again of the form integral square root of a square minus x square times dx. Formula திரும்ப எழுதுங்க, எழுததான் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். So this is going to be first x வரும். So x divided by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus next என்ன வரும்? a square divided by 2 a square minus x square, it is going to be sine inverse of x by a plus c. So when I substitute what's given in the question, what do I have? X by a. In the இடத்துல x is going to be 2x divided by 2. Our x is nothing but 2x, correct? So 2x divided by 2 square root of a square minus x square, which is the question itself, 1 minus 4x square plus a square divided by 2. A square and 1 square divided by 2 sine inverse of x by a, which is 2x divided by 1 plus c. But remember, your coefficient of x is nothing but 2. இல்லையா? அதனால you have to divide the whole equation by 2. இந்த இடத்துல the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x was simply 1. But here the coefficient of x is going to be 2. So you have to divide by 2. So what answer do you get? You can cancel these 2. So in the end, I have 1 by 2 x into square root of 1 minus 4x square plus 1 divided by 2 times in the 2. This 2. Okay? Times this 2 times sine inverse of 2x plus c. So this is nothing but half x times square root of 1 minus 4x square plus 1 by 4 sine inverse of 2x plus c. So this is my answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 3. So again completing the square. So this is of such a form. I can complete the square. So this is my a square plus 2ab. On comparing these two, a equals x. On comparing these two, I have 2xb equals 4x. So when I cancel, I have b equals 4 by 2, which is 2. Plus b square, which is 2 square, minus 2 square, and don't forget the 6. So plus 6. So from these two, what do I get? X square plus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square, which is 4 plus 6. So this becomes x plus 2 the whole square, and this becomes plus 2, which is going to be square root of 2 the whole square. So this I have a plus in between. So how does my question change? Integral of square root of x plus 2 the whole square plus square root of 2 the whole square times dx. So what formula am I going to use? Integral of square root of x square plus a square times dx is going to give me first x square root of x square plus a square plus I have a plus here, so plus a square divided by 2 square root of x log mod, don't forget the log, so x a square by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square. Okay, so when I substitute this in the question, I have x plus 2 divided by 2 square root of x square plus a square, which is the question. So x square plus 4x plus 6 plus a square divided by 2, which is square root of 2 the whole square divided by 2 log mod x, which is x plus 2 plus square root of the question, x square plus 4x plus 6 plus c. So how does my final answer look like? X plus 2 divided by 2 square root of x square plus 4x plus c plus square root of 2 square and 2 cancel idom. So what am I left with in the end? Log mod x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 6 plus c. Question number 4. So completing the square, x square plus 4x plus 1, a square plus 2ab. On comparing these two, 2xb equals 4x, so b equals 2. So plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 1. So from these two, what do I get? X square plus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square, which is 4, minus 4 minus 4 plus 1. So this is going to be x plus 2 the whole square, and this is going to be minus 3, which I can write it as minus root 3 the whole square. So how does my question look like? Square integral square root of x plus 2 the whole square minus square root of 3 the whole square times dx. So in the இடத்துல formula careful போடுங்க. So integral of square root of x square minus a square equals first x. So x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2. You have a minus here, so you should write a minus. Square root of a square minus x square ku minus வராது. இந்த ஒரே ஒரு formula மட்டும் தான் minus வரும். Okay, always remember. Times log mod, இது நமக்கு usual. Square root of x square minus a square plus c. So when I substitute, I have x plus 2 divided by 2 square root of x square minus a square, which is the question, x square plus 4x plus 1. X square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square by 2, which is root 3 the whole square by 2 log mod x, which is x plus 2 plus the question, x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. So final answer எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? X plus 2 divided by 2 square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 3 by 2 log mod x plus 2 plus square root of x square plus 4x plus 1 plus c. This is my final answer. Okay, please copy. ரொம்ப simple. Completing the square பண்ணி என்ன formula இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சு formulaல போட வேண்டியதான். Okay. Now moving on to fifth question. Again, completing the square. For simplicity, I am going to multiply by minus 1. 1 minus 4x minus x square minus 1 ஆல multiply பண்ண போறேன். Remember to divide in the end. Okay. Now how does my equation look like? X square plus 4x minus 1. So a square plus 2ab. On comparing 2xb equals 4x, b equals 2. So plus 2 square minus 2 square. Don't forget the minus 1. So from these two, I have x square plus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square, 4 minus 1. So this is going to be x plus 2 the whole square minus 5, which is minus root 5 the whole square. So my question doesn't look like that. You have to remember that you have to divide by minus 1. So this, when I divide by minus 1, I'll have square root of 5 the whole square minus x plus 2 the whole square. Illati root of x square minus a square formula போட்டுருவீங்க. But இந்த இடத்துல root of a square minus x square formula use பண்ணோம். So how does my question look like now? Integral square root of 5 square minus x plus 2 the whole square times dx. So என்ன formula? Integral square root of a square minus x square times dx. If you don't do this, இந்த இடத்துல square root of x square minus a square னு போட்டுருவீங்க. Okay, if you just leave it like that, if you don't divide by minus 1. Okay, so don't make this mistake. The formula is going to be first x. So x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus, இந்த இடத்துல minus இருந்தாலும் plus தான் எழுதணும். போன questionல தான் minus வந்தது. Okay, you have all the proofs in your textbook. Please verify that. ஏன் minus வருது, ஏன் plus வருதுன்னு அதை பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். Okay, plus next a square by 2. First x by 2, அப்புறம் a square by 2. Okay, times sin inverse of x by a plus c. So when I apply that, I have x plus 2 divided by 2 square root of a square minus x square, which is the question, 1 minus 4x minus x square. 1 minus 4x minus x square plus a square by 2, which is root 5 the whole square by 2 sin inverse of x plus 2 divided by root 5. இது எல்லாமே inverse function குள்ள இருக்கு plus c. So final answer is going to be x plus 2 by 2 square root of 1 minus 4x minus x square plus 5 by 2 times sin inverse of x plus 2 by root of 5 plus c. So this is my answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 6. So this is of such a form. So x square plus 4x minus 5 a square plus 2ab on comparing 2xb equals 4x b equals 2. So adding 2 square, subtracting 2 square, I already have a minus 5. So from these two, what do I get? X square plus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square. So minus 4 minus 5. So from this I have x plus 2 the whole square. From this I have minus 9 which is minus 3 square. So my question is x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square times dx. Formula என்ன? எப்போமே formula எழுதுங்க. Repeatedly write it. அப்பதான் mistake பண்ணாம இருப்பீங்க. Times dx is going to be first x by 2 times x square minus a square minus, இந்த இடத்துல minus இருக்கு. இந்த ஒரு formulaக்கு தான் minus வரும். Minus a square by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. So this is going to be, when I substitute, x plus 2 by 3 square root of x square minus a square, which is the question. So x square plus 4x minus 5 minus a square, which is 3 square divided by 2 log mod x plus 2 plus question itself square root of x square plus 4x minus 5 plus c. So the final answer is going to be x plus 2 by 3 square root of x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 9 by 2 log mod x plus 2 plus square root of x square minus 4x, sorry, plus 4x minus 5 plus c. So this is my answer. Please copy. Question number 7. Again, integral times dx. So 1 plus 3x minus x square. So for simplicity, I am multiplying by minus 1. Remember to divide by minus 1 later. மறந்துடாதீங்க எக்ஸாம்ல. இந்த மெத்தட் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இல்லனா போடாதீங்க. ஓகே, minus 1 ஆல திரும்ப டிவைட் பண்ணலனா ஆன்சரே தப்பு. So always remember. கிள்ளி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அந்த சம் போடும்போது கிள்ளி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்பதான் எண்ட்ல வரும்போது ஐயோ வலிக்குது அப்படினு you will again divide by minus 1. Okay. So now the question becomes x square minus 3x minus 1. So completing the square, a square minus 2ab this time. So compare panna 2xb equals 3x. So cancel panna I have b equals 3 divided by 2. So I have plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Inge the minus 1. So from these two equations, what do I have? X square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So minus 9 by 4 minus 1. So from this I have x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Inge LCM edutha minus 9 minus 4 divided by 4, which is minus 13 divided by 4, which is minus square root of 13 by 2 the whole square. So the function inside the square root is x minus 3 by 2 minus square root of 13 by 2 the whole square, but don't forget to divide by minus 1. So இப்போ question என்னவா மாறுது? Root 13 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So now this is the question. So this question looks like this. 13 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square times dx. Or every time write the formula. So you have integral of a square minus x square equals, first என்ன வரும்? X by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus, okay, இது plus தான் வரும், time plus a square divided by 2 times sin inverse of x by a plus c. So when I substitute this in the formula, what do I have? I'll write it here. X by 2, which is x minus 3 by 2 divided by 2. Square root of a square minus x square, which is the question itself. 1 plus 3x minus x square. So 1 plus 3x minus x square plus a square by 2. A square and root 13 by 2. So root 13 by 2 times, that is square, a square divided by 2 times sin inverse of x by a, which is x minus 3 by 2 divided by a, which is a another root 13 by 2. So root 13 by 2. So this everything is inside the sin inverse function plus c. So when I simplify this, what do I have? Well, LCM edutha I have 2x minus 3 divided by 2 is the LCM, and I already have a 2. So this 2 is nothing but this 2 divided by 2 இல்லையா? Square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square plus this term is going to be root 13 by 2 இல்லையா? So 13 divided by 2 square is 4 times I already have a 2. So this 2 is nothing but this 2. Okay? Times sin inverse of, இதுக்கு LCM எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? 2x minus 3 by 2 divided by root 13 by 2. The 2 and the 2 gets cancelled plus c. So this is going to be 2x minus 3 by 4 square root of 1 plus 3x minus x square plus 13 divided by 8 sine inverse of 2x minus 3 divided by root 13 plus c. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Carefully போடுங்க root 13, root 3 அதெல்லாம் பார்த்து carefully போடுங்க. Okay. Question number 8. X square plus 3x. So how can I write this? Splitting the middle, அதாவது completing the square பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? X square plus 3x. So this is a square plus 2ab. B square என்னன்னு தெரியாது. So when I compare these two, 2xb equals 3x. So x cancel ஆச்சுனா b equals 3 divided by 2. Similar to previous question. So plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus, since I added, subtract 3 by 2 the whole square. Inge plus 0, there is no constant. So இவ்வளவுதான். So this, when I compare, what do I have? X square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So this is of the form x plus 3 by 2 the whole square, and this is 3 by 2 the whole square. So இப்போ question என்ன? Integral square root of x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square dx. So என்ன formula? Integral x square minus a square dx is first x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus, this is the only place you have a minus, a square by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. So when I substitute from the question, x என்னது? x plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. இந்த இடத்துல whole divided by 2 போட்றாதீங்க. The by 2 is only for 3. Okay, don't make such a mistake. நான் அப்பப்போ பண்ணுவேன், அதனால ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. x square minus a square is the question itself. So x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x minus a square, which is going to be 3 by 2 the whole square divided by 2 log mod x, which is x plus 3 by 2 plus square root of x square plus 3x plus c. So LCM எடுத்தா 2x plus 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4 square root of x square plus 3x minus 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Understood? I'll write one more step for you in the rendume. So I have the LCM to be 2 and this is this 2. Okay, like the previous question. So in the இடத்துல 9 by 4 times 2. It is this 2. Okay? Log mod x plus 3 by 2 plus square root of x square plus 3x plus c. So what is my final answer? 2x plus 3 by 4 square root of x square plus 3x minus 9 by 8 log mod x plus 3 by 2 plus square root of x square plus 3x plus c. Okay? Simple. Question number 9. So integral times dx. So first integral kulla I am going to multiply, which is LCM edutha square root of 9 plus x square divided by 9. Everything is inside a square root times dx. So when I remove root of 9 outside, what do I have? 1 by 3 integral square root of 9 plus x square times dx. இப்போ இந்த integral மட்டும் கவனிப்போம். So what do I have? Or I'll just directly write it. So 1 by 3 integral of square root of 9 can be written as a square plus x square. It is in the form of addition. So a square plus x square and x square plus a square is the same. So you can write this as x square plus 3 square times dx. Okay. So what is the formula? Formula first எழுதுங்க. Integral of root of x square plus a square is going to be first x by 2 square root of x square plus a square minus plus a square by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So when I substitute the values, I already have a 1 by 3. I'll open a bracket. இப்போ integral ku I have x divided by 2 square root of x square plus a square, which is going to be x square plus 9 plus a square, which is 3 square divided by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square, which is again x square plus 9 plus c. When I open the bracket, 1 by 3 உள்ள போச்சுனா I have x divided by 3 2s are 6 times x square plus 9 plus இந்த இடத்துல I have 3 square. So one of the 3 will get cancelled. இல்லையா? இந்த 3யும் இங்க ஒரு 3யும் cancel ஆயிடும். So I'll be left with 3 by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square plus 9 plus c. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy. Question number 10. Choose the correct answer. So, இது என்ன formula இருக்கு? It is integral square root of 1 square plus x square dx, which is square root of x square plus a square. So, இது என்ன formula? X square plus a square dx. So, the formula is going to be first x. So, x by 2 square root of x square plus a square by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. So, when I apply what is in the question, I have x divided by 2 square root of x square plus 1 plus a oda value 1. So, 1 square is 1 by 2 log mod x plus square root of x square plus 1 plus c. So, what is the option? X by 2 square root x plus square root of 1 plus x square. So, it is option A. Okay. Question number 11. X square minus 8x plus 7. So, இது என்ன form? Splitting the middle term. Completing the square. X square minus 8x plus 7. A square minus 2ab. So, on comparing, I have 2xb equals 8x. X cancel ஆயிடும். B equals 4. So, I have plus 4 square minus 4 square plus 7. Don't forget this 7. So, from these two, what do I have? X square minus 8x plus 4 square minus 4 square. So, which is 4 4s are 16 plus 7. So, from this I have x minus 4 the whole square. Inge minus 16 minus 7 is going to give me 9. So, this is minus 3 square. So, இப்போ integral குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு? I have, is there a square root? Yeah. Square root of x minus 4 the whole square minus 3 square times dx. So, according to the formula, I have x by 2, which is x minus 4 divided by 2, square root of x square minus a square, which is the question itself. X square minus 8x plus 7 minus a square by 2. In the இடத்துல minus இருக்கு இல்லையா? So, minus a square divided by 2, which is 3 square divided by 2, log mod x, which is x minus 4, plus square root of x square minus a square, which is x square minus 8x plus 7 plus c. So, on simplifying, x by 4, x minus 4 by 2, square root of x square minus 8x plus 7 minus 9 by 2 log mod x minus 4 square root of x square minus 8x plus 1 plus c. Okay. So, which option is this? X minus 4 divided by half x square minus 8x plus 7 minus 9 by 2. This is the option. It's option D. Okay. So, with this, we are done with this particular exercise. Next, we'll move on to a new topic. இவ்வளோ நேரம் indefinite integral பார்த்துருந்தோம். From next topic, it is going to be definite integrals. So, that will be even easier. இப்போ நம்ம பண்ணதே பண்ணி value substitute பண்ண வேண்டியதான். Okay? So, let's see that. Bye.